My name is Dr. Moronya Asha Hesbon. I'm the chairperson to Gusii Youth Bunge Circle, which is a society that operates in Gusii and Nyamira counties to serve the financial needs of our members within Gusii County and Nyamira County. Today we were here to, number one, to hold our annual delegates meeting, whereby we were able to understand our performance for the previous financial year, through which we have acknowledged an upward growth in our surplus. And two, we were here also to launch our 5-year strategic plan, which runs from the year 2025 through to 2029. We've had a number of stakeholders here with whom we are collaborating to ensure that the growth of Gusii Youth Bunge Circle remains on a positive trend. One, we acknowledge the collaboration that we've had with the World Bank through their program dubbed NAVCDP, which is a National Agriculture Value Chain Development Project, and other partners like the Cooperative Insurance Company and the Cooperative Bank, with whom we are collaborating to ensure that Gusii Youth Bunge Circle grows to greater heights. Above all, I want to thank the County Government of Gusii through the Ministry, the Department of Agriculture and the Department of Trade, because we've been able to partner with them to ensure that the needs, the financial needs of the young people and women within our county of Gusii and Nyamira are met.
I'm the CC in charge of Trade, Industry, Tourism and Marketing, Gusii County. Today we were launching the 5-year strategic plan for the Youth Bunge Circle, which already we've launched. And indeed, it's a roadmap. The Youth Bunge Circle is one of the circles we work together with the county through the government of His Excellency Mbarati. And you remember, as a county, we have put much weight in making sure that the circles grow and develop to another height. So indeed, we celebrate these strides that they are made to ensure that they have made their roadmap, the corrective plan to ensure that they can be able to navigate the 5 years with a plan, and very strategically to ensure that they remain afloat as we navigate the hard economical times ahead of us. As a county, we promise and we have given a commitment through the government. His Excellency Barata said that he will partner with these circles to support them to ensure that they strengthen and they move to another level.
When you formulate a strategic plan, it gives you a roadmap through which you remain sustainable as an organization. And the reason we are launching this is because we want to navigate or mitigate some of the unforeseen circumstances, like what we saw sometimes back, whereby most of the USAID funded programs within Kenya and Africa were stopped. And I wish to say that if an organization places itself in a strategic position, when some of those stoppages come from donors and other funding agencies,